Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game version has the light bulb Panda. This matters because availability varies by patch and event. Once done, secure the required 500 coins or equivalent token so you can transact immediately. Delays risk stockouts. Next, go to the night market or the seasonal event area and open the NPC vendor list. Make sure to toggle event filters so the Panda appears. These steps set up the purchase and prevent wasted trips. You now execute the middle steps. Complete the 3 short event quests that refresh vendor stock. This is how the light bulb Panda becomes purchasable. While quests are active, apply any 1/2-price coupons or limited-time discounts to save resources, because discounts drop acquisition cost and let you buy extras. Once the vendor lists the Panda, verify you have an empty inventory slot and a free pet summon slot, so the purchase completes without errors. This avoids lost payments or failed transfers. You finish by purchasing the light bulb Panda and immediately equipping or registering it to your account so the system binds the item to you. If the Panda doesn't appear after purchase, log out and log back in. Relogging often resolves sync issues. If that fails, check server and event status for outages, and then contact support with your transaction ID and timestamps so they can restore the pet. This final step protects your purchase and recovers lost items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.